Ndewo. Good evening, students. You're welcome to our Igbo L2 revision, Js1. Today we are starting with EKELE ndị kacha pụta ihe. EKELE ndị kacha apụta ihe. Most popular greetings. Most popular greetings. Remember, this is L2 and we'll be using English mostly. Nkọwa ekele. Definition of greetings. Greeting is an expression or sign of pleasure when meeting somebody. When you meet somebody, to show you're happy, you are okay with the person. The art of expressing good wishes between you and another person. And in Igbo land, it is part of our culture that when you meet somebody, you greet that person. All right. Please bring your notes. Open your notes. If you are learning Igbo as L2 language, please open your note, JSS1. Ụdị ekele kacha pụta ihe, types of most popular greetings. The first one we are going to talk about is ekele ụtụtụ. Ekele ụtụtụ, morning greetings. Morning greetings. Remember that even if you are learning Igbo as L2, you are still going to write it in Junior NECO. So please pay attention to these revisions. And we are sure that your teacher have done justice to this topic. So we're only trying to revise. Ekele ụtụtụ, morning greetings. These are greetings that Igbo people say to one another in the morning hours, between the morning time and noon. Ekele ndị Igbo na-ekele onwe ha n'oge ụtụtụ. I'll be talking about the greetings. When I greet, I will also tell us the response. I know it's in your notes that way. Ekele ụtụtụ, morning greeting. Ekele na gịnị nzaghachi ya, greetings and response. Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma pụtara gịnị? What is the meaning? Good morning. What will be the response? Oh, ụtụtụ ọma. Okay or all right, good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma, good morning. Oh, ụtụtụ ọma, all right, good morning. Ọzọkwa about the next one is Ibolachi. Ibolachi is also good morning. But when we want to interpret it directly, Ibolachi pụtara again, it means, have you seen a new day? Ibolachi, have you seen a new day? What would be the response? Abolamchi. Yes, I have seen a new day. I know it's like that in your notes. Ozobo, the next one is Ipotala ora, is also good morning. Ipotala ora, that is, have you woken up? The response will be apotala mora. Yes, I have woken up. The next greeting is Ekele ehihie. Ekele ehihie, afternoon greetings. The ones the Igbos greet between 12 noon and 3:59 p.m. Nke a bụ ehihie ọma. That's the greeting. Ehihie ọma, good afternoon. The response will be, oh, ehihie ọma. Okay or all right, good afternoon. Ehihie ọma. Oh, ehihie ọma. Good afternoon. Okay or all right, good afternoon. Ndewo, well done. Ndewo, well done. And the response will be, oh, ndewo, oh. This is where we're going to stop. The next lessons will take the evening and the night greetings. And also we'll look at the ways how Igbo people exchange greetings when they see themselves. So try and always join us. Tell your friends, your classmates, so that they can subscribe, they can like our page, they can also follow us and share. Thank you. God bless you.